Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you all of the jumps that you should know on map The Dust 2. So let's go for it. Let's start with some basic ones and we will finish with the cherry on the top. But first of all, did you know that you can jump on those boxes, or at the top especially? You can simply come on the car and there is like line on which you can step. So, or you can stay here and crouch, camp and wait till the teams will run out from the tunnel, or you can simply crouch jump on the box and you can camp at this position as well. So from the car you can jump on this line, and then if you want you can jump crouch at the complete top of those boxes. You can also jump on this box from the tunnel side. So let's say that there is any smoke which you threw or your teammates, and then you will just run towards in the front and turn towards the right on the box, so like this. And as you can see, we are at the middle step. We can do from here Warriors place towards the plateau, towards the window doors, or we can even jump on the top of the box and play towards the car player or somebody or anybody who is hiding at the corner. So now I will show it to you without smoke. So you can just come, jump and turn right towards jump, and simply you will land on this line on the boxes. So really not hard jump, just to know that it exists. Also of course you can easily jump on this box and then on plateau, or you can just come, jump on this box and then do Warriors plays, like kill somebody who is hiding behind this box or whatever else. Just to know that you can jump between those two boxes really easily. Nextly, you can come here and just by two jumps jump from the plateau towards the window, so you don't have to jump on this part of the boxes firstly and then at the top. But as you could see, you can jump straight from this box to the top of those boxes. So, and it's not even that hard. From there of course you can jump even to the wood, but it's not really one of the tough jumps at the Dust 2. If you are city player, you can easily jump on this box. It is quite easy because there is like a middle step, so you will jump once, you are on this part of box, and then when you will jump again you are on those boxes and you can play from here whatever you want actually. In the similar way you can jump to this position as well, so you can come here towards this box, you will jump once, you are at the like middle step, and then you will jump again and you are on this box. So let's say that there is smoke, so you can make Warriors plays towards mid to B area. On this box you can actually jump from mid as well without even middle jumping. So you can come from mid and just jump and crouch during your jump, and as you can see we are easily on the box. Then you can make Warriors surprising maneuvers from this position. Or if you want you can jump on this pallet and then again make Warriors plays from the city during you are hidden behind the box. All enemies can see is your head, or of course you can jump on this box as well. Next, let's say you are at the mid and you want to go on the A short. You can come towards the pallet here at the short, you will just jump on it, again jump on the box and then crouch jump on the A short. Because as you can see, even you can jump on the pallet and then on the box, just with the jump you cannot go towards the short, so you have to crouch during your jump to actually you could get to the short easily. But let's say that you want to go fast towards the A short and you don't want to run around and jump and everything, you can simply come here and jump on this part of the box that you can see on the screw or whatever it is. So you will just come, jump on the screw, then on the box, and again by crouch jump you will jump on the A short. Here of course you cannot simply jump on those boxes, but you can use those like barrels and you can jump here easily, and then with scout or whatever else you can hold A short Also, when you are coming from long and you want to fastly get on the A side, you can use this box, so you can jump on it and then on A side, and as you can see, we are really quickly on the A side. And when you are using this way actually and there is hiding any of the cities, there is really slight possibility that he will expect you that you are picking from this side and not from the right side as every other of your teammates. Of course, it's more dangerous because there already could be players on the CT and the short and so on. But yeah, really, if you want, you can use this way and you can have slight advantage. Or you will see some player on the CT because there will be smoke, so your teammates will see him. So you will see some player, you can call it, or you can see any player behind the Gandalf or behind boxes or at the short, and you can fastly call it to your teammates. You can also solo jump on this box on A long, so you can simply come towards the box, you will jump and crouch in the air, and you are on the top. It's not one of the hardest jumps in the game, or at the Dust 2 at least, but at this position I believe you can do some really interesting plays because not many players will expect you at this position. And even you can't solo jump on the blue box, you can get boosted by your teammate. But yeah, just to know that you can play on the blue box as well. There are not like skyboxes or whatever what could block you. So yep, you can boost on blue box as well. What is a little bit unfortunate that you cannot boost yourself or by your friend on this roof, but yeah, it is what it is. So you cannot get boosted on the roof, but you can get boosted by your teammate on the blue box. Don't know if you knew, but you can also jump on those boxes at the secret. You can simply come, run towards those boxes, and when you are at the boxes, you will just jump and crouch during the jump. Like this, and as you can see, you are at the boxes and in the secret, so you can camp here with scout or do whatever else. You can also jump on this by what you can get an again quite a surprising position at the top mid, at which enemies could not or should not actually expect you. So yep, just to know that you can jump on this and make warriors plays from this position as well. Similarly boosted position you can get here in the corner in front of A long, where you can simply jump on those boxes, and then you are at the off angle position where the CT is pushing or whoever else will not expect you there. So yeah, you are at the advantage at the moment. Also, if you are rotating through the T-spawn towards A, you don't have to go around through the stairs and everything. You can simply jump through those containers towards the T-spawn. So you will simply jump on the containers. You can't just jump, you have to crouch during the jump, or you will use these middle bags. So jump here, and again use those bags to come towards the short without even crouching at the jumps. But you can do it in the faster way, so we will crouch jump on the green container, then jump on the bags and just T-spawn. As you can see, it was so much faster than if we would go around. Did you know that you can solo jump on those boxes at the A long Dust 2? Yeah, you really can. You simply have to come here towards the corner of those boxes, but completely at the corner, and then till you will hit the arrow in the front, so in my case W, and you will jump. So as you can see, we are like boosted on the corner. So then I have to jump one more, and as you can see, I solo boosted on the boxes at the A long side. Yeah, you can see multiple videos on the YouTube how you can like line yourself, calm yourself, whatever, but it was simply how I showed to you right now. So again, to the corner, jump, jump, and you are at the top. Solo boost, nobody is here, as you can see. But if you really want to measure how you could jump on the top of the boxes, you can simply come towards the corner of the room. Then you will aim here, as you can see, this line between those two pallets, so just on the edge. You will run into front till you will get blocked by the boxes, and then I'm going holding the knife, going a little bit to the back, and then I will jump, hold W and crouch. And as you can see, I'm easily on the top of the boxes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. I really hope I helped you or that I learned you something you didn't know. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe, or you can join our membership program and become one of these killers, what will unlock you multiple perks on the channel as special loyalty badges, access to member-only community posts, and also it will support our channel in a huge way. Also, you can follow us on our socials where you can find various info about new videos and short tutorial posts as well. Okay, but now that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.